I particularly support the tutors when they do the St Dwynen's Day. They do a lot of activities for that and interest in sort of the Welsh folk tales, the Mabinogion. We've done promotional events around all the Welsh folk tales to do with Taliesin and rejuvenation and renewal. And another thing that we do in the college as well, we promote cwtch days for the students, where they can cwtch themselves up in blankets and have candles burning before they go into having a treatment, and possibly in the future doing events like that to encourage the public to come in and experience it as well.